Ever tried to get through a busy day without a plan? You wake up, maybe snooze your alarm a few times, and then just react to whatever comes your way. Emails, errands, surprise meetings, that mysterious urgent text from your cousin. By the end of the day, you're exhausted, and you can't quite remember what you actually accomplished. Sound familiar? Now imagine if you approached your whole life that way, just hoping things work out, with no real direction. It's like setting out on a road trip without a map, snacks, or even knowing where you want to end up. You might see some interesting sights, but you'll probably get lost, run out of gas, and maybe end up at a random roadside diner wondering how you got there. But what if you could plan your life the way a software engineer plans a big project? Let's see how that could work. We will break this down to 5 steps. Step 1, figure out where you're going. Before a software engineer writes a single line of code, they ask, what are we actually trying to build? In life, this means setting clear goals. Want to get healthier? Learn guitar? Save for a vacation? Be specific. It's like picking your destination before you start the car. Otherwise, you'll just drive in circles. Or worse, end up in traffic with no idea why you're there. Step 2, map out the route. Next, engineers create a plan, a roadmap. They break big goals into smaller steps. If your goal is to run a marathon, your roadmap might start with walking around the block, then jogging, then running a 5K. Each step is like a pit stop on your road trip. Suddenly, the journey doesn't seem so overwhelming. Step 3, travel in sprints. Here's a trick software engineers love. Sprints. No, not the Olympic kind. In software, a sprint is a short burst of focused work, usually 1 or 2 weeks, where you tackle a manageable chunk of the project. Why not use sprints in your own life? Instead of saying, I'll get fit this year, focus on drinking more water for the next 2 weeks, or dedicate a sprint to learning the chords for one song on the guitar. Sprints keep you motivated, let you see progress quickly, and make big goals feel bite-sized. Plus, if you hit a pothole like a busy week or a cold, you can adjust in the next sprint. Step 4, expect detours. No road trip goes perfectly. There are wrong turns, flat tires, and questionable gas station sandwiches. Software engineers expect bugs and setbacks too. After each sprint, they review what worked and what didn't, then adjust. In life, this means checking in with yourself. Did you hit your mini goal? What tripped you up? What can you tweak for the next sprint? It's all part of the journey. Step 5, celebrate the milestones. When a project wraps up, engineers celebrate. In your life, celebrate your wins, big or small. Finished your first 5K? Learned a new song? Treat yourself. Share your progress with friends. Every milestone is proof you're moving forward. Did you know that the first computer bug was actually a real moth stuck in a computer? If software engineers can handle literal bugs, you can handle a few hiccups in your life plan too. So next time you're staring down a big goal or a busy week, ask yourself, how would a software engineer tackle this? Break it down, map it out, work in sprints, expect detours, adjust and keep going. Because life, like a great road trip or a well-built app, isn't about getting it perfect the first time. It's about making progress, learning as you go, and enjoying the ride. So, what's your next sprint? What's one small step you can focus on for the next week or two? Start your engine and code your best life, one sprint at a time. If you want to watch similar content, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications to get notified when I release a new video. If you found this helpful, share this video, like, and comment your ideas below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.